boy, Buck Buck. Good boy.
All right.
Follow Bailey.
Come on.
Here goes Bailey.
Up here.
There goes Bailey. Good boy. Bucky, wait. Good boys. Good boy, Punky. Good girl, Mace. Just put your leash on. Here we go. Okay, Buck Buck. Bucky, go. Good boy, Bucky. Whoop.
Got a scratch.
Got a scratch. Yeah, that's your leash.
Like two on it.
That's your leash. Good boy. There's the Newfie roll. Oh, got an itch. Good boy. Good boy. Here we go. Good girl, Mace. Good boy. Come on, Punky.
There's that shade. There's that shade. Good job, Mace.
Oh.
Eat that treat before the other guys get it.
Good boy. Yeah. You gonna go in the dog door? You're gonna flop down and sleep. You gonna go in the dog door? What you gonna do? You go in. Maybe he'll go in. Where's Bailey going?
Come on, Bogey.
Bailey's going in. He says, I don't care, I found something to chew on.